Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is today's market update for September 23rd, 2020. If you look at here, that's SBY daily chart. So on Monday market it put it up, Tuesday up, and today they slam it back down again. So technically we are still in the correction, but the key thing here, we try to see where this one is going to stop and reverse. So right now, the market is still have a lot of pressure in the downside, as you can see here. So the market, they have some level of support at this level here. Let's see the overnight, the market be able to turn around on the ES future, or we can see it if they break below here, they will continue to go further south to test either 315 or the 200-day moving average right here. Okay, so if you look at the ES for December contract, you can see that the market they have been trying to come back and retest the level used to be a support and resistance, and today they come back, they test it right into this level, couldn't make it higher, and then they slam it down again after they break that upper trend line. The market is continue to hit to the bottom and retest. After hour they hold up here, so we need to see here, are they able to push it back up, and then in order for them to go higher, they have to come back and retest the 50-day moving average. They also have to go over the downtrend line here. So technically we have to have some pressure in the short term right now. Let's see the market, what they want to do, so that we can have a clear direction on the next couple of days here. So right now, I think people wait for another stimulus packet number 5. So if that one that come out, they can put the market to the upside again. So let's see how the Fed is going to do it to save the market, and we will see it in the next couple of days. And if you look at the a lot of stock right now, they hit it all-time high. People took the profit. Today, Nike are now good earning, so that's the only stock in green. Most of the stock in red. So let's see, Nike can keep up the momentum up here. They have a very good earning, and but a lot of store like Walmart, they come up yesterday, and today they slam it down again. But they have a strong support here. Let's see if they're able to hold up, or they will continue to test this level here. And Target also put it up, and then now they hit back to retest the all-time high here. So we have to be careful here, so they can come back to test this one here, or if they can hold up, they can put it higher. But if they drop below here, then we have to be careful. Okay, and a lot of stuff like home builder, Pro Weather, they are hit to the sell zone, so people also start taking profit also. So they take some profit. They take some profit off the table because they don't want the market to go down. Some stock very strong like Zoom. This morning they make a new high, but the people also take some profit. So we have to be careful because the market a little bit risky in the long side. If you go long, because the market they already make an all-time high. So any long side, we have to watch out here. Make sure the index that they turn around before you can put more money. Otherwise, we have to wait for them to finish a correction, and to see how the Fed is going to support the market. And if you look at the Dow also, they fall up after the breakout trend line. They go down. So right now they try to stabilize here. Let's see if they're able to put it back up tomorrow, and then we will see the market be able to hold up or not. The Nasdaq also fall up the cliff this morning. In our live trading room, we know that when they break this trend line, something is coming in, and then they slam it down. So this is the level of support. Let's see if they're able to hold up here and push it up higher. If they break below here, there will be more downside. They can get back to that area right there. The Russell 2000 also break down and then come right to the bottom here. So they have some support here. They need to be held up here and rebound in order to get back. Otherwise, it will be more downside. Gold is under pressure of US dollar go back up. So you can see that the momentum of US dollar is going higher. They put pressure for the gold to come lower. So after the gold break a down trend line here, they continue to the downside. Right now they have some support here. Let's see if they're able to hold up and be able to break out and put it back up. Otherwise you are still in a downtrend for gold. Oil is stabilized around here. They go nowhere, sideways between the top and the bottom here. So they are staying in the rainbow here. And bond it try to get back up. Technically they are still bearish, but if the bond it get back up, then you have to be careful because the market it can go down further. But if the bond it reject at this level and push it down, then the market is still be able to bounce it back up in the short term. The euro is still under pressure after they dropped below 50-day moving average, and now they continue to go to the downside. Right now they are still below the downtrend line, so technically it's still bearish until they be able to break out and push it back up. And Bitcoin it also break out the upper channel here, so they slam it down, but they have a strong support at this level here. So they need to hold up at this level in order to make a high there. Okay, so this is all we have for you today. So let's see where the market heading to. If you go long, you have to be extremely careful. Let's see, where the index they tell you if they are moving first before we follow them, because we are not the one that make the market move. Institution, they are the one that make the market move. So you have to see what they are doing first, and then we just follow them. You cannot beat them, but you can follow them to make some money. All right. So thank you very much for watching. And if you would like to learn how to understand the financial market, how to trade short term to make some extra daily income, as well as the swing trade, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.